can't use that.
Cut.
Can we? Hi guys.
Hi.
It's been a while. I'm sorry there haven't been weekly video content. We have been busy.
We've been very busy.
What have we been working on?
We've been working on another renovation series.
We have.
Yeah.
How good does it look?
Perfect.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Long time in the making.
Yeah.
Probably 2 years of planning, 9 months of building. And we've been filming this for over a year.
Over a year, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is a personal project of ours. This is Jono's family holiday home. It has been in the family for how many years now?
Over 50 years. Longer than I've been around.
It is a much loved home, but it did need a bit of a makeover. It needed to be future-proofed. It needed to fit us all, for one. To be honest, we just need to rethink this room because this was done, 25 years ago. So Jono and Stephen, his brother, were little and now they're big and they've got me and others tagging along. So there's just a bigger family. So as the family grows, the house needs to grow with it. You guys have been asking for home renovation content. Thank you very much. We love creating it, but renovation content does take a long time to put together. And to be honest, it would not be possible without the support of our sponsors.
We're very lucky that we get to handpick all of the brands and suppliers that we work with, as well as specify the individual products that we use.
Yeah, and so throughout this series, we're going to be sharing our journey with you. So know that any product, brand, or service that you see, it's because we're actually using it ourselves. So it's a real documentation of our journey and our process.
It is.
All the blood, sweat, and tears, pretty much. It has to be even overhang either side.
Don't agree.
I agree. That's
Don't.
exactly what I'm saying.
You agree with yourself.
I agree with me. I am.
Oh my God.
I'm really tired. Whilst we can't mention all of our incredible brands right now, we would like to give a shout out to some of our key sponsors that really helped make this series possible.
Firstly, Ryobi with the tool hookup. We've literally been using and abusing their tools for years, and they've always been a big supporter of Hunting for George.
Yeah.
I need like a.
You don't have a tool belt.
I need like a. Hang on.
Spin it.
This is dangerous. Seamless.
Their range has come a long way. They've literally got everything in the range now, even their new One Plus HP range, smaller, lighter, more powerful. Haven't broken one yet.
Haven't you? You've
Not
broken
this
none.
season.
We're also excited to partner again with Dulux for all of our paint and timber finishes throughout this entire home. I love my color. I love flicking through Dulux color swatches, but aside from the color range, we also just really love the finish and the quality of Dulux paint, from the exterior weather shield to the interior wash and wear. They have a lot of different products, so we definitely made good use of them because I did a lot of painting and when I
All
say
of the painting.
it was all of the painting. Don't ever want to paint a ceiling ever again. But guess what? I have to this afternoon.
You got all the ones downstairs and the master. Oh no, the master's done.
Say I like painting once. Now I find myself
Full-time
painting
painting
this
gig.
whole damn house.
Our newest sponsor, who's been very fun to work with, Ford, fueling our trips from the city to the coast. How many times do you reckon we've driven the Great Ocean Road now?
So many times. I could literally drive it blindfolded, I reckon.
Don't do that.
I will not do that. It's
Don't
very
do that.
dangerous. But yes, I have had the pleasure of driving around the Ford Puma. Very sleek, very comfortable, very good city car, but it also holds its own on those long road trips as well. And we did do a lot of kilometers.
What's your favourite feature for the long trips?
All of the tech, and I like the Apple CarPlay because I do like listening to my podcasts, and all the maps were big as well.
Helps.
It
When you
does.
don't know when you're going. You don't know where to go. When you're
But it
even though you've
was
lived there for so long.
exactly. Don't point that out. It was wonderful to partner with Ford, though. We really did load up that car and make the most of it. We did a lot of site visits, showroom visits, loaded up with products. So we definitely made good use of that, and it's wonderful to welcome Ford on board to this series. Time to go to Bunnings. What do we need?
Everything.
So much stuff. Bunnings, our favourite place to hang out on a weekend or a weekday or a
Tuesday.
Late Friday night. We're there a lot, aren't we? We did a late night run not long ago to fetch timber. So it's been wonderful having the support of Bunnings. They've been a big supporter of ours for quite some time now. We know the team really well as a lot of the brands. So it's great to have them on board. So get ready. It all kicks off next week. We have 12 episodes coming your way, including a full home tour reveal. They will be launching every week. Thursdays, 7 p.m. on YouTube. If you want to help support us, then please do hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notifications as well. Like and comment. We really do love to engage with you guys and hear what you have to say.
Enough jibber jabber. Let's cut to the trailer.
Oh, there's so much to do. I'm freaking out. I'm Lucy.
And I'm Jono.
And we're the husband and wife team behind Hunting for George. As a designer, I love to present inspiring homes and designs. But when we're not filming home tours together or traveling to epic design destinations, we love to tackle our own home renovations.
We recently finished renovating our home in Melbourne, but this time we're leaving the city behind and cruising down the Great Ocean Road to transform my family's beach house in Lorne.
There's a lot to do, and this is going to be our biggest renovation to date as we turn this 1930s weatherboard beach shack into a modern coastal retreat. We can do this, right?
Well, there's one way to find out.
There's no going back now, is there? Ditching this thing, hate it, it's going. All of my Lucy equations worked.
Lucky.
Shush you, concrete truck. I'm trying to explain my passion for furniture. Oh my gosh, this is comfortable.
Yeah, it is nice. How's the storm?
All our cabinetry's outside.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, what's happening? Oh no. Hang on, this is dangerous. Seamless. What? What? So smart.
How much do you like painting?
I love it. Ask me that again in however
In
many
2
months.
weeks. Yeah.
Are you attracted to me still?
Not at the moment.
Here I am, living next door. It means we can just renovate 24/7. Got my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle knee pads on. It has to be even overhang either side.
Don't agree.
I agree. That's
Don't.
exactly what I'm saying.
You agree with yourself.
I agree with me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, sweet mother of tap.